This video is to show you guys how to either take a screenshot off of your MacBook, or if you have something where you would like to record what you're doing on the screen. So if your teacher gives you directions to show them that you know how to do something and stuff, you can record it using your MacBook. And it's pretty simple if you know what keys to use. Okay, you want to hit Command, which is this one right here, Shift, which is up right above the function key, and 5, and you'll hit all three of them. Command Shift 5, hold them down at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Command Shift 5, and if you look, you will see that there is a little screen that popped up. Okay, stabilize, and you have different options. I'm going to decide which one I want. This one I can click to record the entire screen, and if I do that, it will record everything on my screen until I tell it to stop. This is record a selected portion, so if I click it, you notice how it got dark in certain places. I can maneuver it to record only the spot I want. If I want to take a picture, I can click this one right here, okay, and that is capture a selected picture, and I can hit capture and take the picture. There is also an option for a selected window. I don't have a window open, so it just goes to the whole screen, or I can capture the entire screen itself. Okay, so I'm going to go back to a portion. Okay, I can move it to where I want. Okay, there are options. I don't want a timer, so I'm going to hit none, and then I can click capture, and it took a picture. It's down here on the bottom right hand corner. If I double click it, there is my picture, and I can use it to show whatever it is I was wanting to do for an assignment.